necessarily prohibit data controllers from processing personal data. However, if there is a legitimate interest, data may be transferred to third countries, i.e. the US, for quote unquote establishment, exercise, or defense of legal claims. And so basically there's two sort of guiding concepts that modulate this delivery of personal data of necessity and the directive to minimize the data involved.
People don't seem to understand it. They seem to think, oh, you can just go out and you can get those documents, but some of those links could be dead. They could be on a former employee's personal computer or personal account. I mean, there's all sorts of reasons why you can't collect it. But with like metadata and such, I've been finding with phones and other devices, people don't realize that you just can't screenshot text messages.
There are so many requirements from privacy perspective and also from labor law perspective in various member states, which are not harmonized, that it's already hard enough to come and have a really compliant investigation, especially if it's multi-jurisdictional one.
Actually communicates about things that they should or shouldn't be doing. It's very different than just putting in, evidence of antitrust and then violations or whatever into your AI tool. You have to be able to ask the right questions and understand how to get the right context, because you may be looking for, just calendar entries that are the same or something of that nature, rather than, just full on the smoking gun that says it in plain English or something like that.
In terms of compliance and internal audits to reduce risk, the key is you need a plan, you need a program. And so, and somebody else had mentioned this, you hopefully have set forth your plan a long time ago and have looked at it every year and updated it and so forth. And it's kind of like being a fireman or a policeman or something like that, where...
On the other hand, because we heard about AI and the use of the tools, we shouldn't be leaving everybody that markets a tool with this AI, artificial intelligence tag, because many of those are not real AIs. We need to be mindful of that. They are simply workflows. But on the other hand, those that use artificial intelligence, you cannot control them. You don't know where they search, what they collect, how they collect it.